When it comes to chasing personal records, every detail matters. Weight, stability, propulsion, and efficiency all play a role in how far and how fast you can go. The Xtep 160X 6.0 is built with one goal: to deliver the perfect blend of speed, responsiveness, and endurance for the serious runner chasing their next breakthrough. At the core of this shoe is the aerospace-grade T700 carbon fiber plate. This globally pioneering technology provides a snappy, propulsive ride that helps maximize efficiency with every stride. Unlike standard plates, the T700 is tuned for both responsiveness and stability, propelling you forward while maintaining control even in the late stages of a marathon when fatigue sets in. Every toe-off feels spring-loaded, pushing you closer to your next personal best. Supporting the plate is the XTEP ACE midsole, a cutting-edge foam engineered for lightweight cushioning and high rebound. It strikes the perfect balance. Soft enough to absorb impact, yet responsive enough to return energy with every step. The result is a ride that feels effortless and dynamic, making marathon pace feel more sustainable mile after mile. Weighing in at just 171 to 179 grams, the 160X 6.0 is shockingly light for a shoe that delivers this much performance. That featherweight build reduces fatigue, letting you run longer and faster without feeling weighed down. Paired with its streamlined, aerodynamic silhouette, the shoe is designed to disappear on your feet, allowing you to focus solely on your performance. Breathability is another key to endurance. The engineered mesh upper keeps air flowing, ensuring that even under the toughest race conditions your feet stay cool, dry, and comfortable. Reinforced with synthetic overlays, the upper offers just the right amount of support without sacrificing flexibility or comfort. Underneath, the CPU outsole delivers dependable grip and durability. High abrasion rubber has been strategically placed in key contact zones, giving you confident traction on wet roads and consistent wear resistance across hundreds of kilometers of training and racing. But what makes the 160X 6.0 especially effective is its attention to detail in fit and stability. A raised arch contour and split-toe design support natural biomechanics while adding control at high speeds. Combined with an optimized midfoot structure, the shoe minimizes energy loss, keeps transitions smooth, and reduces fatigue over long distances. This is not just a racing flat, and not just a training shoe, it's both. Designed for competitive runners and marathoners, the Xtep 160X 6.0 excels in tempo runs, interval sessions, and race day alike. Whether you're chasing a new PR at 10K, pushing through your first marathon, or lining up for a national-level competition, this shoe is tuned for peak performance. Every stride counts when you're aiming for your best. With the Xtep 160X 6.0, you get a shoe that's lightweight, powerful, and efficient. Engineered for athletes who don't just run, but run to win.